Could a giant asteroid called the God of Chaos strike Earth in 2029? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. Let's dive into the latest findings about asteroid 99942 Apophis and its potential to impact our planet. First discovered in 2004, Apophis, nicknamed the God of Chaos, is a massive asteroid, about 1,210 feet wide, making it almost the size of a small skyscraper. It orbits the Sun and crosses Earth's path every 7,500 years. In 2029, Apophis is set to fly extremely close to Earth, just about 18,300 miles away. For context, that's closer than the Moon. This flyby will happen on Friday the 13th, an event that's causing some nervous excitement among astronomers. Initially, experts dismissed the idea of Apophis colliding with Earth in 2029. They calculated the odds at about 2.7%, but most of those chances were ruled out. However, new research by Canadian astronomer Paul Wiegert has revealed something unexpected. What if another asteroid collides with Apophis during its flyby? Even a small object, just 2 feet wide, could potentially alter Apophis's course and increase the risk of an impact. According to Wiegert's findings, if an object as small as 0.6 meters, about the size of a large boulder, collides with Apophis, it could dramatically change its path. While the odds of this happening are extremely low, the possibility is still there. Here's where things get interesting. For Apophis to be knocked into a direct collision course with Earth, the impacting object needs to be around 3.4 meters wide. The chances of this happening are astronomically small, around 1 in 2 billion. Wiegert explains that even if the asteroid is deflected by an unseen object, only about 5% of those deflections would put Apophis on a path toward Earth. So, while the probability is incredibly low, it's still not entirely zero. Here's another critical factor. Apophis hasn't been closely monitored by telescopes since May 2021. It's been hard to track due to its positioning relative to Earth and the Sun, which puts it in the daytime sky for the next few years. Experts won't be able to observe it again until 2027. Even though Apophis's orbit is being carefully studied, the lack of direct observation for a few years raises some uncertainty. Will something unexpected change its path? That's still up for debate. While there's a lot of excitement surrounding Apophis's 2029 flyby, the risk of it colliding with Earth remains extremely low, less than 1 in 2 billion. But scientists are keeping a close eye on it just in case something unexpected changes its path. Even with these odds, it's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about these massive space rocks, and how important it is to track their orbits. So mark your calendars, April 13th, 2029. No, Apophis won't destroy us, but it will certainly be an event to remember. If you want to stay updated on the latest discoveries about Apophis and other space phenomena, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up because you never know what's out there.